Good morning, dear students. Now, our next organelle is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was first described by Camille Golgi, a scientist, and in his remembrance, Camillo Golgi, so the organelle which was first described by him is given name Golgi apparatus or Golgi apparatus. It is also termed as Golgi complex. Where it is occurred, Golgi apparatus is a membrane-bound organelle. All these cell organelles are present in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a place where all these organelles are floating. So now, how it is occurring? So it is a membrane-bound. Membrane-bound, that means it has a membrane. It has a cover. It is found in all eukaryotic cells except mammalian erythrocytes. It is present in all eukaryotic cells, but in mammalian erythrocytes, that is RBCs, they are not found. Sieve tube in plants also they are not found, as well as male gametes of bryophytes and pteridophytes. Bryophytes and pteridophytes are again the group of the plant kingdom where they bear the flowers. In those, some they bear the flowers, some they do not bear the flowers, and in those plants, in the male gametes, the Golgi apparatus is not present. It is also absent in prokaryotic cells. It is also not present in prokaryotic cells. So, in short, we have to remember that Golgi apparatus is found in all eukaryotic cells, but not in RBCs. They are not found. How are they? The structure. You can see the diagram over here. Right? You can see these layers are stacked one over the other. They are arranged one over the other parallelly like this. Stacking that means to think, skip one over the other. थप्पो लगाई देवानो. एक के ऊपर एक लगा के हम थप्पा कर देते हैं जैसे. That is called stacking. So, the shape and form of Golgi apparatus mainly depends on the type of the cell. So here, according to the type of the cell, the shape and size of the Golgi apparatus is differing. That means if the cell is very small, then the Golgi apparatus shape and size will be small. If the cell is little larger, then the Golgi apparatus and its size will be little larger. It is also double-walled structure. See here, I have shown here. One wall, another, one, two, double wall. Right? It is a double-walled structure consisting of stacks. All these double-walled structures are consisted in a stack. Stack means just now I told. Things kept one over other. થપ્પો લગા દે, થપ્પો માર દેવો અથવા થપ્પા એક થપ્પામાં મૂકી દો. આ બધી બુક્સને એક થપ્પામાં મૂકી દો. We say like that. We put clothes in a stacks. કપડાની ગડી વાળીને એને થપ્પો બનાવી દઈએ છીએ. So that means a group kept in a stacks. So here double-walled structure which is kept in a stacks of flattened membrane. membrane भी देखो flattened एकदम straight, जिसका surface एकदम से elongated horizontal flattened. Such flattened membrane sacs, that means bags. These are bags in which the fluids are filled, but they are flattened. एकदम चपटू થઈ ગયું છે, right? So these flattened bags or a membrane is called cisternae. What is this called? Cisternae. So, structure of Golgi apparatus, a double-walled structure consisting stacks of a flattened membrane called sacs are cisternae. Cisternae generally occurs in a stack of 6 to 8. Here I have shown you, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are of stacks of group of 6 or 8 at a time. In the most animal cells, Golgi apparatus is located near the nucleus. If you remember that when we have drawn the animal cell near the nucleus, Golgi apparatus is seen. So most of in the cell, animal cell, remember this thing, Golgi apparatus is located near the nucleus. And in the plant cell, it is present in the form of subunits and is called dicytosomes. And in the plant cells, they are the subunits. That means subparts of the Golgi apparatus are present as a dicytosomes. These are the cisternae. The Golgi apparatus is having two types of phase. One is the seize phase, that is the forming phase. That means this is the position at the lower where it is still forming, see, in a scattered manner. Then slowly and gradually it forms as a straight line like this. And this is called trans, that is maturing phase. And in this, the fluids, vesicles, these are the vesicles. This is the dispatched vesicle. Vesicle is again a sac, a bag, sac, that means a bag, like a polythene, in which the substance are filled up. Here we will see in the function what is filled up and how the vesicles are helping. Golgi apparatus is the secretory organelle. Let us see the function. It is the secretory organelle. Most of the things which is secreted, which are secreted, that means which are coming out, is because of the Golgi apparatus. The proteins, lipids, steroids and some other substances pass from endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. Certain substances like proteins, lipids, that is fat molecules, proteins, growth molecules, and steroids. Steroids are the certain chemical molecules which fights against the toxic germs. So these materials, chemical materials which are present in endoplasmic reticulum, they are passed to the Golgi apparatus from endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi apparatus, what it will do to this all? It will modify. Modify, that means it will make them simpler and package, and then it will package these all biochemical unit into tiny secreting vesicles. And after modifying, after making them simple, all these chemical substances, Golgi apparatus will modify them, that means it will simplify them, and then it will package. Where it will package? It will package these biochemicals into secretory vesicles. These are all vesicles, small vesicles, right? These are small vesicles, they are slowly growing, and then after growing they come to the mature phase, and from here they will dispatch, they will start going to other parts. So this is dispatching vesicles, which is filled by the biochemical particles. Then the secretory vesicles. Secretory, that means those who are dispatched from the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus से separate होके वो आगे जाएंगे. Then pass out. See here, secretory vesicle then pass out from Golgi apparatus to various parts. As I shown, from here they will develop, then they will collect all these chemical biomaterial, and they will go to the mature stage, and from there they will separate. So I have written here dispatched vesicle. Dispatch, that means this is coming out from the Golgi apparatus and it will go to the another parts of the cell, and it will go to the various part in the cell by the process called endocytosis, because it will go to the another part of the cell, and after getting used it will come out of the cell through exocytosis. Endocytosis, that means to enter into the cell. Exocytosis, that means to come out of the cell. Example is here given. Out of some excretory products, which are secretory products? So some of the examples I have given. Mucus. You know what is mucus? A sticky substance which comes in your nose, right? That is the mucus. Mucus, sweat, perspiration. Then proteins in the form of dead proteins, dead cells, your nails, your hair. Saliva, which secretes in the mouth, tears which secretes in the eyes. है ना, रोना आता है ना, जब रोना आता है तो पानी जो निकलता है, that is tears. Pigments, that is the substance which is present in the skin layer. So when you are under the effect of more sun rays, that pigments are secreted in a larger amount and your skin becomes darker. Then enzymes are secreted in the internal organ, which helps in the internal metabolism of the body, digestion, respiration, different excretion, right? Then hormones are the secretion in the body which helps the organs to do the different work as per the different age group. These are all the secretions we see in the animals. Even in the plants also secretion takes place, right? Which is modified by the Golgi apparatus, gum, wax, latex. You might have seen wax coming out, gum coming out of the plants, latex, a white color fluid coming out of the plants. These are the secretory substances which are seen in the plants. Golgi apparatus modifies this all secretory because it is secretory organelle, and then it fills up its vesicle, which in turn goes to the different cell and even from out of the cell. Golgi apparatus also help in the storage, not only modification as well as packaging, but it also helps in the storage. When the secretory products are more in amount, then Golgi apparatus will store also in the vesicles, and when the need arises, it will release. It helps in the formation of cell plate. When cell is being developing, at that time a complete plate form of the cell is also being formed by the help of Golgi apparatus in the formation of cell wall, in the formation of plasma membrane, even in the formation of lysosomes is carried out during cell division by Golgi apparatus. Complex sugar is also made from the simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus in some cases. In some cases, the simple sugar of our body is converted to complex, that is because of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes are one more type of organelle present in the cell, and it is also made or formed by the help of the Golgi apparatus. So this is the function, occurrence and structure of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus are found near the nucleus. It is stacked in a structure kept one over the other, and its function is to store, to modify and to package the protein, the growth material, steroids as well as lipids, energy material which is coming from the endoplasmic reticulum, and then it is given to the cells and the other cells by the help of Golgi apparatus vesicles, right?